I couldn't be happier with my experience using DustaPro. From the moment I started using it, I noticed how much easier and more enjoyable it made keeping my home clean. As someone with a busy schedule, finding time for daily cleaning can be difficult, but DustaPro has completely changed that. It takes care of the everyday dust, pet hair, crumbs, and fine debris that naturally accumulate on the floors, allowing my home to stay consistently clean without requiring constant effort. Instead of spending valuable time sweeping or vacuuming every day, I can simply let it do the work while I focus on other responsibilities or simply relax. One of the things I appreciate most is how thoughtfully designed it is. Its slim profile allows it to glide under beds, sofas, cabinets, and other furniture where dust tends to collect but is often difficult to reach with traditional cleaning tools. Those hidden areas now stay much cleaner with almost no effort from me. It also transitions smoothly across different floor surfaces in my home, including hardwood, tile, and low-pile rugs, providing reliable cleaning performance throughout every room. The operation is pleasantly quiet, so it doesn't interrupt conversations, work, or watching television, which is something I value greatly. The convenience factor is what truly makes DustaPro stand out. Setting it up is simple, and using it quickly becomes part of a daily routine. It consistently helps maintain a fresh, tidy appearance around the house, reducing the amount of deep cleaning I need to do later. Instead of allowing dirt and dust to build up over several days, it keeps everything under control, making weekly cleaning sessions much faster and less exhausting. It has genuinely helped me save both time and energy while keeping my living space looking its best. I also appreciate the quality and attention to detail in its overall construction. It feels durable, well-made, and designed with everyday practicality in mind. The maintenance is straightforward, making it easy to keep the device performing efficiently over time. Every aspect of the product seems focused on providing a smooth and hassle-free user experience, which is exactly what I was looking for when searching for a convenient home cleaning solution. Beyond its practical benefits, DustaPro has also given me greater peace of mind. Walking into a clean home at the end of a busy day feels incredibly satisfying, and it's nice knowing that everyday dust and debris are being managed consistently. Guests often comment on how clean my floors look, and I no longer feel stressed about having to do a quick cleanup before someone visits. It's one of those products that quietly improves daily life in ways you don't fully appreciate until you've used it regularly. Overall, DustaPro has exceeded my expectations in every way. It combines convenience, reliable performance, ease of use, and thoughtful design into a product that genuinely delivers on its purpose. While no cleaning device completely replaces occasional deep cleaning, it dramatically reduces the amount of work needed to keep a home looking neat and well-maintained. The time it saves, the consistent results it provides, and the overall improvement it has brought to my daily routine make it one of the best household purchases I've made. I would confidently recommend DustaPro to anyone looking for an efficient, dependable, and user-friendly cleaning solution that helps maintain a cleaner home with minimal effort. It has truly become an essential part of my everyday routine, and I continue to be impressed with its performance each time I use it.